Hello. In a moment, I'm going to tell you about my personal experiences with 3 top affiliate marketing coaches that I signed up with and bought their courses. My name is Don Novak, and I started affiliate marketing business in December of 2020. However, I started selling household products online back in 2005 on eBay, and then later on Amazon, and then Walmart with my company DecorateWithDaria.com. Things were very good up until about 3 years ago when the Chinese tariffs kicked in, and then COVID slowed down and even closed most of my vendors' production lines. I knew I had to change my online business model from selling stuff on eBay and Amazon and move in another direction, because so much of my product I was selling was from China, and the back-end customer service issues and returns were getting out of hand, and new Amazon and eBay return policies ramped up buyer's remorse and fraudulent returns. Last year, in 2020, I watched the late-night infomercial featuring John Crestani and his SAS affiliate marketing system, and I was hooked. It just felt right to me, and I went all in. I purchased all his videos and 26 weeks of one-on-one phone coaching. It was good, and I learned a lot, but I was not making enough sales, and the cost of Google Ads and Udemy email blasts put me in the negative. I knew something was missing. Then I discovered Devon Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system, which is basically a push-button system, but Devon went one step further. He asked for the customer's email address up front, and he automatically followed up with a ton of email responders. I made some money, but then again, the cost of getting traffic exceeded the initial sales. I still felt something was missing. So I moved on to the Anthony Morrison and his partner with Anthony system. This one put it all together for me. Anthony nailed it. You become his partner, not just another affiliate marketer. You become part of his entire eco-marketing system that is making Anthony and his partners millions of dollars. This is just a tiny part of what he teaches. How to build your email list and use autoresponders. Try only to sell products that have a recurring commission. How to use YouTube to get free traffic. How to use Facebook ads and not get rejected by Facebook. How to have challenges and live webinars. And his own built-for-you opt-in and thank you pages are loaded automatically for you into your ClickFunnels account. Making money online is the cutting edge of financial success, and the Elon Musk of online marketing is Anthony Morrison. Click here for his video. Anthony will guide your every step. It is working for me, and I highly recommend it. Subscribe to my channel for weekly updates on my continued journey in the world of affiliate marketing. This is Don Novak saying thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on the Partner with Anthony video. Thank you.